Hi, I'm Terence from Matrix. The Matrix range of products is purpose-built for the cutting tool industry and can be used by any machine shop in any country. We have a machine for every solution that you might need. Don't think of it as vending, it's more point of use management. No more hunting for tools, running out of product, delayed setups. You know how it is, because there's no time for downtime. We already have in our range the Maxi, the Mini, the DLS, the Whiz, and the Toolport. Today I'm excited to bring you a new concept in the Matrix range called the 4x4. Everyone knows the 4x4 will go where other machines struggle. It's a great option for entry-level vending for a company that wants to manage their tools through a point-of-use system, but might have previously thought that maybe these machines were out of their budget. The 4x4 features a combination of 4 drawers for single insert vending and 4 drawers for larger items like end mills, taps, drills, and chucks. All of this is now in one machine and makes point of use or tool management control systems more accessible for smaller shops. You can manage up to 40 different types of inserts with the 4x4. Using the Matrix software, you just select the insert you want, open the door, and push the tab to release your chosen item. All other tabs are locked, so the user can only take the chosen insert at the specified quantity. The 4x4 has the capacity to have up to 20 inserts in each of the 40 different locations. For your larger items, once you have selected the item you want through the Matrix software, the drawer is released and you can take the tool you've chosen. You can also put your slow-moving items in here as well. It's up to you. The 4x4 is designed to be a standalone machine in its own right, or you can add it to an existing Matrix installation as a pod connected to the others. The 4x4 will change the way smaller shops can jump into point-of-use management, but it's not exclusive to the smaller machine shops. The flexible design of the 4x4 has caught the attention of larger shops. They are already making the most of adding the 4x4 to their machining cells so they can easily keep their tooling close to the action under full control. Want to know more? Get in touch with your local Matrix team.